This is a 2020 BMW 230i. It's all stock right at the moment. We're gonna do a rear muffler delete on it, leave all the factory tips on there with the factory exhaust valve, the active exhaust valve. Gonna remove the factory resonator, install a Flowmaster FX on there to leave it all stock up front. Let's see what it sounds like first. Just got a little purr to it. Customer wants to warm it up a bit. We'll get back to you here shortly. Okay, we're back with the BMW. We have removed the rear muffler, but left the active exhaust valve in there. Installed the Flowmaster FX muffler. It's all stock up front, as you can see. To give it some rumble. See what it sounds like. Calms down a little bit after it runs for a minute. Gets off that high idle. Nice little purr.